When you are with me, I can't think of anything else. Your beauty mesmerizes me, and when you speak, I get eternal glee. Girl, you are like a star in my life. You brighten my day with your smile. I just want to confess it today. It's been on my mind for a while that I truly love you, my princess. I mean it. I'm madly in love with a girl. I can't stay without talking to her. I really can't stay without looking at her. She even comes in my dreams. Day by day, my love for her is increasing. I know I truly love and I want to be with her. She's the reason why I feel so good. You know who that girl is? It's you, my honey. I simply love you. Love has no definition in life. When you love someone, you feel it from your heart. You don't know how it feels like, but you never ever want to part. It's pure love, and that is only true. You're the only reason in my life, and I just wish to say that I love you. My life was not the same before I met you. I was someone else, you know. You gave me your smile. You gave me a reason to live. And life has never been the same again. It's all good and wonderful in your company. You are an angel in my life. Thanks for being there. I love you. It's a rare thing to find a lover and a best friend, both in life. It feels so wonderful to have both in life. You are like the way of light. No, you are my ray of life. You gave many meanings to my life. I just want to tell you that I won't really survive without you. And I mean this, my girl. I truly love you.